Today is the first day of the rest of my life. Every human being has a desire to become a little better than before. Growth is the motto that drives any person towards his goal. Our passion for self-improvement motivates us to pass new resolutions for betterment. But after a week, we find these motivating resolutions in our garbage can. We fail to adopt. Sometimes we don't even try. Do you know why? The culprit is our brain. On important auspicious occasions, we undertake resolutions, we make promises, we swear to God, we create a wish list. By tomorrow, I will go to the gym and lose weight. Also, I will work on my eating habits. I will quit my drinking addiction by next Monday. Books are amazing tools. I will read 20 books next year. By tonight, I will go to the bed early and wake up early in the morning. The list is endless. But we fail. We fail to our own commitment. Actually, we don't understand the system, the process of building or changing a habit. We all know that half knowledge is very harmful. Our brain is so lazy because it needs a lot of energy to perform any mental task. Almost 20% of our energy is consumed by our brain alone. Therefore, our mind stores the formula for any repeating actions to save the energy. This formula which our brain stores is called a habit. Whenever any activity is repeated on regular basis, it becomes a habit. When we were born as a kid, we learn how to walk. We never go through the learning process again in our lifetime because a habit in the name of walking is formed. A habit is a behavior that has been repeated enough times to become automatic. Habits are mental shortcuts learned from experience. The process of any habit can be divided into 4 parts. First, trigger. Second, response. Third, reward. Fourth is repetitions. Let's understand by this example. Every Sunday 9 p.m. John goes to the bar with his best friend to enjoy a couple of drinks and some tasty food. In return, he gets the feeling of relaxation and enjoyment. Here, the trigger is Sunday and the clock. Whenever his mind becomes aware of Sunday 9 p.m., it automatically orders John to initiate the craving for drinks. Going to the bar is the second step, which is response, which is performing a habit and automatic formula stored inside our brain. Third step is reward, which he gets in the form of drinks. Fourth step is repetitions. His brain repeats the habit loop again and again. John was not a regular drinker in his early life, but once he enjoyed the pleasured rewards of drinking, he started repeating the enjoyment cycle. Then his brain noted the replications and stored it as a formula known as habit. Everything that works has a system, a process. We focus on the goals first, but it should be opposite. We must focus on small atomic habits, the process. This is how John made little atomic changes to the process and quit his bad habit. John goes to the bar every Sunday 9 p.m. First trigger is Sunday 9 p.m. Second, going to the bar is response. Third is reward, which he gently changed from alcoholic drinks to cola. Fourth, repetitions. He did this for next 21 days. Then he again modified the reward to plain water for next 21 days. Then no drinks at all. This is how we can cheat our brain. We perform all the 4 steps according to our lethargic brain. Just change or degrade the reward to quit a bad habit. And just do the opposite to make the reward more attractive to create a new good habit. Our brain is so stupid it cannot recognize the difference between a good habit or a bad habit. It just looks for the triggers to satisfy the cravings. What is your trigger for bad habit? It can be name, place, time, environment, it can be anything that reminds you for the desperate need of any craving. All of the above, I want you to quit this one bad habit. To know which habit, watch this video. Also, hit the subscribe button and join us